Theta United States dollar medium-term support generally remained at 92 cents, which for the most part is very huge. The genuinely current exchanging volume of Theta organization sort of is at $14,389,186, which basically is genuinely critical. Theta organization in every practical sense is buy and buy esteemed at 83 cents. Bull control Theta's sort of current cost activities, which truly shows that Theta organization generally is as of now esteemed at 83 cents. Bull control Theta's buy and large current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. 23 July 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, especially sought clarification on some things, facts. What truly is truly momentary cost expectation for Theta organization? By and large is Theta an excellent venture, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. However, prior to plunging truly profound into the Theta specialized examination, essentially let us certainly discuss the truly current market conditions. Market investigation. Over the especially last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,461,109,687, which truly is genuinely critical. The in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $23,363,779,520, exhibiting how Theta organization for the most part is as of now esteemed at 83 cents. Bull control Theta's buy and large current cost activities, which fundamentally shows that Theta organization really is buy and buy esteemed at 83 cents. Bull control Theta's certainly current cost activities. Beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level, after a vertical development of 1.17% in an in every way that really matters, large way. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours in an exceptionally significant manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time period. So Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB in every practical sense, is up by 0.7 and right now exchanging at $243.64, exhibiting that the truly complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $23,363,779,520, exhibiting how Theta organization really is buy and buy esteemed at 83 cents. Bull control Theta's certainly current cost activities, which generally shows that Theta organization especially is buy and buy esteemed at 83 cents. Bull control Theta's fundamentally current cost activities in a very large manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, so Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they fundamentally thought. These occasions basically show that the market in a real sense is going in an especially descending bearing for truly present moment, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Right now, a very broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how the extremely current exchanging volume of Theta organization most certainly is at $14,389,186 in a significant manner. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize really key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they in a real sense thought. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers certainly become certainly something else in every way that really matters, dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally is very huge. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which dealers in a real sense move exceptionally dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Following are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, certainly is at 83 cents, up 3.53% in the buy and large beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 5.26% over the course of the week, so Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on, which most certainly is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly is 14,389,186.00 United States dollars, while essentially complete market cap came to $827,415,343 United States dollars, showing how the truly current exchanging volume of Theta organization truly is at $14,389,186. By and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. There explicitly are very nearly 1 billion truly are available for use out of 1 billion, exhibiting how as of now, a sort of broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how the really current exchanging volume of Theta organization in a real sense is at $14,389,186 in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization value investigation Theta cost examination for 23 July 2023, insight and everyday time period, really made sense of underneath, especially further appearance. How Theta organization value examination Theta cost examination for 23 July 2023, insight a day-to-day time period, explicitly made sense of beneath, which essentially is very critical. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and dramatic moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the Theta network. The Theta United States dollar moving extremely normal combination and difference, MACD pointer in a real sense, is demonstrating a present moment, especially sell pretty sign as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath all things considered, signal line which explicitly implies in a real sense, bears most certainly are ruling on the lookout, showing how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $30,172.69 level, after a vertical development of 1.17% in an exceptionally significant manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29, and truly is attempting to really break out of the negative zone, while featuring enormous negative strength, sort of additional appearance, how similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move essentially dynamic, and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense is very huge. The Theta organization basically has break all its in every practical sense, upholds levels, and things certainly are not looking truly really great for the crypto market, showing how Bitcoin shares 4